Hello friends, welcome to my channel Java for Beginners from Go for eLearning. In this video, we will discuss some examples of multidimensional array and jagged array. So, first let us write a program to take a two-dimensional array and display its elements in a matrix form. What is a matrix? A matrix represents a group of elements arranged in several rows and several columns like this. Here we have 3 rows 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to the program. So this is our complete program. Here we have two-dimensional arrays, which are having 3 arrays with size 4. Means there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So JVM creates 12 blocks because 3 into 4 equals to 12 means JVM will create 12 blocks of memory as there are 12 elements being stored into the array. These blocks of memory can be individually referred to as like this. And after this, these two statements system.out.println just display some strings. Here I want to display two-dimensional array in metric form in first line and in second line just to display some stars. So output look nice and in output it is showing like this. Then we have to display the elements of two-dimensional arrays in matrix form. We need to use two for loops. The outer for loop that represents the row indexes and inner for loop that represents the column indexes. And if both outer and inner loop conditions are true, then system.out.print will print the elements which is stored at particular I and j indexes. For example, I value is 0 and j value is 0, so it will display 100. Then after j value increment by 1, then I value is same but j value become 1. So it will display 300. Like this, similarly, it will display all 12 values. So this is the complete output after compiling and running our program. Please note that each element is displaying after one tab because I have mentioned here /t. We can see all the 12 elements are displaying in a matrix form. Same way we can try for three-dimensional arrays. In three-dimensional array, we need to use 3 for loops to read all the elements. So after this example, next we will talk about jagged array example. In this example, we are going to create a jagged array that contains two one-dimensional arrays. Here, this is a jagged array that can store two one-dimensional array means X is jagged array with size 2. Its elements will be X0 and X1. Observe that last pair of empty square braces represents one-dimensional array. So X0 and X1 can store two one-dimensional arrays. Okay, now let's allocate memory for X0 and X1 so that they can store two one-dimensional arrays of different sizes. Here for X0 we can store 2 elements and we will store 2 elements. And for X1 we can have 3 elements and we will store 3 elements. And after that we need to just display both the array elements. For first array, this system.out.print will display the result, and for second array, this system.out.print will display the result. So this is the complete output of our jagged array program. Here we have two one-dimensional arrays with different sizes. So these are the basic examples of two-dimensional array and jagged array. I hope you understand these examples and I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.